Alright.
Oh, God.
He come and popcorn with
No water.
I don't know when people take it and that's down in total.
Good morning, guys. It's Monday. Start of a new week. It's what, like after 10. I've been up since 8 o'clock. I just have not left my bed. I'm not feeling well today. That's number one. Physically and mentally too. But physically I'm not feeling so well, so it's kind of taking a toll on me mentally as well too. But it is what it is. This week is, I don't even know what to say this week is going to be because I don't know yet. But one thing that I do know is that this next week I have mid-semester exams, so I have to start studying for those. We have not been given topics or any of that stuff as yet, so I don't really know how these lecturers are expecting us to study for it when you haven't given us the topics, but do them thing. Anyways, if I have to just read everything, but just read everything, I gotta tell you, I really refuse to stress out myself about it. So yeah, I have to start studying for exams that are next week. I have class today, 8:30 p.m. as usual. And before that, I have a video to record with my mom, a sit-down video for this channel, and I have an assignment to, well, I kind of started already, but it's just to continue doing it. It's due Thursday, so I want to get it done by tomorrow, because Wednesday, I don't want to put it, maybe tomorrow, Wednesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, I want to get it done. And I'm going to say tomorrow, next thing I know, I'm going to get to do it tomorrow. So between Tuesday to Wednesday, I want to put it, I send it off. I don't want to send it off until it's sent off between Tuesday to Wednesday. Thursday is a whole other day for things. And then, you know, start studying and whatnot be the case. I don't start studying very early, so my studying will probably start taking place Thursday, because my first exam is on Sunday. So it would start taking place by about Thursday. I don't start too early because I'm not remember nothing. Anyways, today has been a very off morning from I woke up. Just very groggy, tired, as you can see. Very groggy, very tired. And I wanted to stay in bed all day. I really did. But I realized I can't do that. It not help me now in the house, so I am not going to stay in bed all day then. I'm going to try to put myself in a better mood and just get myself ready for the day. I gotta take a bath, you know, and then go to the next part of getting myself ready. Alright, I'm back in my room now. Took a shower and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my skincare, fix my hair. Don't even know how I'm doing that yet, but yeah. Today is honestly just going to be a very chill and slow day. And personally, I don't mind that, because I just can't do nothing fast paced right now. Not today. I don't know if anybody has these days when they wake up and they're just completely out of it. Maybe I just me. Maybe I just me. And there's probably people thinking, oh, you're young, what you worry yourself about, you need fear stress, da 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 da. Don't get that twisted. Young people stress out themselves too. Young people have their own issues that they're facing and going through. So we have just as much reason to stress just as everybody else. We may not be going through some of the hardest things in the world, and some of us may be going through some of the hardest things in the world, but even so be the case, it no means that we get it easier than nobody else. Not at all. Not at all. So yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna tell you guys, like, I've made a little difference to, well, not difference to the vlogs, but this is like how I'm going to be doing them now. Specifically, like the last vlog that you guys saw, like a week, that is how I'm gonna be posting the vlogs now. I'm gonna do like a week in a life and all the things that I do throughout the week, because personally I don't do a lot throughout the days, so I just highlight specific things, because I don't do a lot throughout the days to have enough content to give a vlog every day or every 2 days. No. So and every 3 days doesn't even make any sense. So what I plan to just do is do just like a week in my life of vlogs, and any other little thing we do, we'll post those differently. But those are the type of vlogs that you guys will be getting. So if you're looking for a vlog every day, or if you're looking for a vlog every other day, it's not gonna be there. You're just gonna have to watch the previous vlogs that we have on there. If you are new to the channel or so, I did a 25 days of Vlogmas last year, December. That is when I actually vlogged every single day. Yeah, I vlogged every single day. So, and it was a lot, and it was tiring to edit, to do, and all of that stuff. Would I do it again? Maybe, but not sure as yet. Vlogging every single day is not my tactic. Neither really is vlogging my tactic, but it is what it is. So I've just decided it's best to give you guys like a week's worth of content, where it's long enough for you guys to like sit down and watch it. Like if you're cleaning or you're doing anything like that, you can sit down and watch it. You can play it in the background. Because that is just what works best for me personally at this moment, rather than to be doing a vlog every day or every other day with me doing almost the same things. So I'll just highlight stuff that I have during my week. As I said, today is Monday. I am not really doing much today, so to just get that out, oh, I might leave my hair like this. I might just leave my hair like this. Now that I pull it out, yep, everything always work out somehow. I'm gonna leave my hair like this today, definitely. A breakfast time. Breakfast my foot at 11:01. So this is basically kind of like brunch, because this is nowhere near breakfast. I just made, what is it just saw? Food. This is just a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I just toast the bread and just add a peanut butter and jelly to it. I need to die about my hair. I need to die about my hair fully black, because the tips of it has stressed me out. And I made an iced coffee. There we go. The light was really bad there. And I made an iced coffee, as you guys saw. So I am going to eat something, and then I'm going to, while I'm eating, I'm gonna watch something and chill out. I think after that I might start working on my assignment, and then after that I will go and record my video with my mom, and then from that, after those, it's just class later really. I don't think there's anything else, unless mom is doing a video differently and I have to edit and stuff, but there's nothing else really. She hasn't mentioned that to me as yet, so I'll find out. Outside of that, just really class after doing the assignments and doing the video, and I have to edit the video, yeah, and post it up, and then just class, honestly. So I think that's about it for me. So guys, can you believe I am just looking up at the camera? It is Wednesday night. It's now 8:50. I have very much bathed, eaten, wrap up, ready to go to bed. So the reason why I didn't film the day before was because why am I looking at my so much eye bag or the camera? What's the camera? So the reason why I didn't film on Tuesday and most of Wednesday, which is today, is because schoolwork and editing that I've been doing. So I was filming videos for mom and editing and stuff like that, and then I had to film my video for this channel also, a sit down, which is already up. You guys can go and watch it. And then on top of that, schoolwork and going to the classes to get the topics for exams that are coming up. My studying will probably hopefully start by tomorrow or by Friday, the latest, let's hope. I've only received one class or one course topics for my exam so far. The other class, I'm guessing I'm just supposed to read the PowerPoints I have, so I shall do that. The last class, I don't know as yet. I have that tomorrow morning. So I will see what is what tomorrow morning with that class, but that's all. I'm just doing mostly schoolwork. So I tell you guys, when it comes to art school and vlogging, I do not have a balance with it as yet. Whereas with the semester, I have a little bit of a hectic, more heavier spaced reading semester. It's not easy for me to just remember to, you know, pick up the camera and support or whatnot. But you guys will give me grace, hopefully. That's why I'm doing the week in the life. It works out better. Anyways, currently at this moment, I am going to watch the new season of Love is Blind. I started watching the first 6 episodes that came out on Valentine's Day. I had watched those already, so I am watching the new episodes that came out today. Yeah, the new episodes that came out today. Those are the ones that I'm watching. Which is only 3. Which kind of annoys me because I'm like, I thought y'all were going to put out the rest, everything, but it's just 3. So I'm going to watch that now. And then after watching that, I got my bed because I sent off my assignment early today, which was good. I'm really glad I got that out the way. Did it make sense to me? In some way. Will it make sense to the lecture? I don't know. I have to work because I don't really know how me and this course going so far. But it's what it is what it is. So now that I have really settled down for the day, done all my editing and recording and all of that stuff and assignments, I am going to chill now, watch some Love is Blind, then go to bed because I have my 7 a.m. class in the morning. So you guys will see me tomorrow morning when I get up for class tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's Thursday morning. And my class just finished. Well, finishing because it ends at 9. It's now 9. So my lecture has just wrapped up class. It's basically just finished now. But this morning was just revision because I have my exam next week. So he was going through some questions. And just, you know, getting answers from people and, you know, ways that you can answer the questions and stuff like that, which was good. Got a good grasp as to how I think the exam will go or what be the case. But, you know, obviously you still have to study and read and do everything, but that's fine. The only thing is I have to wake up 7 o'clock to do an exam. I've never done that in my life, but it's fine. So, I think this morning we are supposed to be going on the road today. Mom is gonna pick up something, so that is what we are heading out to do today. I'm going to, you know, brush teeth, wash my face, everything, and then get ready. Then we'll go on the road because we have to come back home because we have some things to do before, just some things to, you know, prep and whatnot be the case for something we're doing on Friday. So yeah, I'm going to go brush my teeth, wash my face, do all of that stuff, and then more than likely when I'm getting ready to go on the road, I'll get you guys back. So guys, I'm all ready. I'm just putting on a little perfume before I leave. Yes, so I'm just doing black top. This little bag, I really like it. It's like a cute little, it's just like a nice little handbag. It's not too big, but it's not too small for me. I just decided to leave my hair like this once again. Well, not once again, but I just wanted to leave my hair like this today. I didn't feel like having it caught up. Like, this is okay for me. Regular jewelry on my hand, of course, and oh, just these pants that I have, these blue jeans. A long time I have them pants here, but to this day them still fit me. So I'm gonna go on the road. As I'm on the road, I will check back in with you guys as to where we go and whatnot. I think we're going to the meat market, and I'm also going to the supermarket and whatnot. And I think that's about it really for me today, and then come back home because we got some things to do at home today. So yeah, I'm gonna leave now. So update guys, well, update, I'm on the road now. I'm in Crossroad. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Dad went to go to the meat shop to get something there, and I'm waiting on him because it's like right over there, so he's just gone to get it and I'm waiting on him. And then we're going to go to the supermarket and go home. As I said, it's not going to be really any long stopping on the road or any long driving on the road. Really just getting some important stuff and then to go back home. Hi guys. So today is Saturday. I know I missed a couple of days, but from what you can see, I'm not feeling well. I'm still not feeling well. And due to that, I just genuinely was not able to vlog anything because I was not feeling well. So yeah, today is Saturday. Everybody's gone on the road. I'm home alone. I couldn't go with them because I wasn't feeling well. As you can obviously tell, I just genuinely was not feeling well. I still am not. But I have exam tomorrow, which is Sunday, and I have to be studying but also trying to like get myself back into like that state of mind. It's been pretty dark for a little time because it was bright this morning, but it's now 1:17. It's been pretty dark for maybe about like an hour and a half now or so. So it looked like rain might fall, I'm guessing. Maybe not, we'll see. But outside of that, that's just really my update. I really am not doing anything else for today, so I'm generally not going to be vlogging anything today, but maybe you'll see something for tomorrow, because I have to, you know, wake up early and get myself together, finish the rest of my reading and studying, and then get into my test and whatever else I'm doing after that for the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys then. Hi guys. So today is a new day. I had said I would come back on Sunday, so like, you know, continue the vlog or whatever be the case, but I didn't come back for a reason, because woke up Sunday. I wasn't too bad on Sunday, but I woke up and I had to finish my reading and all of that stuff before my test, so I just mostly focused on that. I did my test. It was around maybe like about 2 o'clock in the day. I did it, finished it, and then I just genuinely went back to bed because we were having like a cold front. Well, yeah, we were having a cold front in a way, and I was just really tired after my test, and I was like, you know what, I'm going back to bed. Hence why I'm still kind of tired today as well too. One thing or two things for certain: when it comes to doing a test and you're sick, it is not the easiest thing. It's very hard. Yesterday I felt like I almost felt like I couldn't do my test because I was just really tired right before I was supposed to do the test, and then I had to get up really early to finish reading, getting all the notes and important stuff out of the way. so I could be prepared as best as I could. It was an okay test. It wasn't bad. It wasn't anything that I couldn't manage. It was alright. But it's just that I don't like being sick and having to do tests. It's not, I don't like it because the amount of extra energy and effort you have to put in to just get the information in your head and to just remember it, it is a lot. It is a lot. So I am trying to just do my hair a little. My hair looks awful. I need a hairstyle. I need a hairdo. Like at this point, I'm not even funny. I'm not even joke. Like I just need to do my hair somehow. I need to get it done. I don't know how, but I need to get my hair done. I want to pull it out this week. Obviously, it's very frizzy. I'm just tired of it now. So I want to get a new hairstyle this week. Well, hopefully this week. I don't know if that really I got them this week. If not this week, maybe next week, but I'll see. Because I'll have to go get that product here. I'll have to go get hair and all of the stuff that I need for it. But that is that. Anyways, I'm gonna make breakfast now. Okay guys, kitchen time. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna do ramen because that's kind of the only thing here right now that I can really work with, so I'm gonna do it. After I eat this, I'm going to start my reading for my next test today, and then after that, and then after my reading, I'm probably then just gonna make dinner because obviously it's all the way at 8:30, and once I start my reading, do I have a lot? It's not a lot, or it's not as much as the reading that I had to do yesterday, but it is still quite an amount, so I still have to get it done. Oh, turn on the gas. I have my TV on. I was watching it already this morning. Mom and Dad left pretty early today. Went out to do some business. So I didn't really have any reason to go anyways, but like it's cool. So yeah, I'm just doing some ramen. Got my water boiling over here. And after the water is boiled, oh, I need to change battery. After the water is boiled, I'm gonna put in the eggs and everything. So when I'm eating, then you guys see me. Okay, guys. Waiting for this to focus. Okay, so I just finished making breakfast. Obviously, I told you it was just noodles, just some egg and whatnot. Have some water beside me and whatnot. So I'm gonna eat, and I'm watching the TV while I eat. And then after I eat, I'm going to start my reading. Good thing this lecturer gave us some study notes that we could use, so I'm going to use those study notes and just look off, because the PowerPoint presentations I just realized doesn't really have too much information, so I guess that's why he gave us the study notes. I'm going to work off of the study notes, and if there's anything missing, then I'll just go back to the PowerPoint presentation and look back on there. Update. Mom came home. I have acquired food. When they went on the road, they carried back food. A long time they come home, you know. Let me not make a lie. They've been home for a while now, but I'm just able to pick up by the camera because I finished my reading of the study notes. I'm going to look back over the PowerPoint presentations. It is now 3 o'clock. About what? Is it 6 hours? 6 hours to make some? No, like 5 hours. 5 hours some minutes, I guess. As I said, it is 8:30 in the night, but I'm eating now, watching something on my computer, and then I'm probably just gonna chill until lie. I'm gonna eat, and then after I eat and wash a little bit, I am going to read about the PowerPoint presentations. Once I'm done with the PowerPoint presentations, then I'm gonna chill out before class. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, it's a little bit after 10. I just finished my test. I don't know if I ever hear these people are looking at test 10 o'clock at night. I don't know what kind of wickedness me do, but that's not what me do. Anyway, I finished the test and probably very low. Anyways, so mom and dad have gone to sleep. I finished the test. It was okay. I'm just very tired, especially because there's a lot of writing or typing, I would say, so I am quite tired. Also, the server was giving problems before I jumped on. Good thing that I waited. I had this issue last semester with some of my tests that I had to do online, with the server breaking down, or the server that my school uses breaking down. They didn't fix it and they came back with it again this year. As I said, this vlog didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. It was just mostly me being sick and at home, and that's fine. I hope that's okay. And then having tests, so I hope that's okay. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which I'm hopefully gonna start by the end of this week, so you guys can get it and you can see. Hopefully my other week will be a little bit more entertaining.